Hey, thanks for joining us today and welcome to the Lake House Tour. This is the boat launch right across the street from our driveway. Easy lineup for putting the boat in and out. This is the inlet that leads to Treasure Lake. Entering the great room here, we have a gas fireplace with remote control that Trevor stacked the stone on. The beams that are rustic alder, I made the beams out of 3 pieces and then glued them together to make it look like a solid beam. The kitchen here is also rustic alder with a chestnut stain. The granite countertops are from Dubois granite. Here's a Lazy Susan with a rubber shelf, polymer shelf. The floors are an LVT. There's a spice pull out. We went extra tall on these upper cabinets going to the ceiling with 3.5-inch crown molding at the top. I made a custom trim here out of rustic alder as well to finish out the windows and door casings. We accent trimmed the island in a rustic alder with a Dorian paint island. Here's a garbage pull out, soft open, soft close. On this island I did a wainscot panel painted Dorian alder accents and then did pipe attachment with an outlet on the end. In the dining room, I used to have a pine table and benches that I cut and attached them to the wall with brackets, which made it a very much more convenient, useful space and a lot more sturdy. We use smart thermostats, that way we control the temperature from remote locations from our cell phone. Entering the first floor bathroom. Shelves, really easy to do. I used a 2-inch thick pine boards from Lowe's also for the countertops, just sprayed them natural with live edge. Put a vessel sink on. These are also Dorian painted cabinets in the laundry bathroom. And we used a stackable washer and dryer, which worked real well for our space, having limited room. Being everything's got limited space, we had to kind of custom make things to fit. We didn't put closets in, so we added this custom dresser here. It fills the space of the remaining wall back to back with the kitchen. I had these doors left over from a project, so we added those in to make a separated loft. Entering the loft. Here as well as full pine walls with the rustic alder casings and door trim. We added these footprint tracks on the walls so that the kids and grandkids would enjoy the space.
Here you can see we did a lot of drywall in the bathrooms here, and then also in the kitchen. Being a cabinet maker, I really don't enjoy doing drywall or sanding drywall, so we limited how much drywall we had to rooms that we're going to cover up most of it, like the kitchen, where we covered up almost all of it. Here the bathroom features match the downstairs bathroom features with a Dorian paint with a 2-inch live edge pine natural coat on the counter. Here for the railing, we did a 1-inch black spindle on the railing with a rustic older top cap. Post there has a dimmable light switch in it, so we can drop the light down in the upstairs loft. Out looking through the window, very sunny day today. It's kind of hard to see out, but we have a great view from up here as well. And I put 4 in-ceiling speakers. I think those are 8-inch, and then a 12-inch sub, so that watching movies in a great room is a great theater sound. Spiral staircase here I outsourced from a company in Philadelphia, but it came in sections and we had to all piece it together, custom fit to the location we were using.
Now going back down the spiral staircase here, I ran a rustic alder beam right up through the center, connecting to the beams going across for the second floor loft floor. And going out to the side patio, we keep our boat here normally. Oh, the ribs are looking good. It was a beautiful day today, so I made some ribs on our smoker. This is what it looks like with the boat in.
If you look past the post here, you'll see a stream running through. We only have a 50-foot wide lot, so that limits us to a 16-foot wide place.
We used these stone pavers from Lowe's, and we have a Brio smokeless fire pit.
We are looking forward to a lot of evenings around the fire pit to come. See you on the next one.